In this video, I'll show you how you can start your own dropshipping store with only $50. Dropshipping is more popular than ever, and some people are making serious money with it. But how much money do you actually need to get started? If you're running paid ads, you definitely need a budget of at least $1,000. But ever since TikTok became popular, more and more people are using organic traffic to get sales. Now you can actually find a product, make a store, and spam TikToks of your product, hoping to go viral and then get a ton of sales with $0 spent on ads. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. The video is in 3 different parts. So let's jump right into part 1. Find a product. There are a ton of different paid tools you can use to find products, but since we only have $50, we're gonna use a free method. So let's go into TikTok and search. TikTok made me buy it. These are most likely all dropshipping products that have gone viral. So let's look around and see what we find. So we found this 4-in-1 dog water bottle. Looking at the comments, it seems like people are really interested in buying this product. So let's try this dog water bottle and move on to part 2. Make a store. So let's go on to Shopify. Right now, you can actually get it for $1 a month for the next 3 months. Just type in your email, complete the difficult test, and pick your store name. I think we're gonna pick the multi-bottle. I'm gonna go through this kinda quickly, so feel free to rewatch or comment if you want a full video of how I build my stores. So let's add the most essential pages: shipping and delivery, privacy policy, refunds and returns, terms of service, FAQ. Now we gotta add our product. Here I'm using Zendrop since they have 10 to 15 days international shipping, which is way better than a month on AliExpress. Let's see if they have the product. It's right here, and we can get it for $5.56, while the international shipping is $11.70. This means our cost of goods is $17.26. I think we can sell it for $29.95, but that means we only have $12.69.
Nice.
In profits, but we can always find a cheaper supplier or raise the price if we get some sales. Right now, let's just focus on getting some sales. So let's add it to our store and delete all of this. Now go back to your store. Navigation, we're gonna do home, shop, FAQ, and contact. The footer, FAQ, shop, and contact. The last, information, shipping and delivery, privacy policy, refunds and returns, terms of service. Now let's pick the Sense theme, publish, and customize it. Remove all this for now. We're definitely not gonna use this color. We're gonna pick the product color for our website with this Chrome extension called ColorPick Eyedropper. Change the footer color, add the menus. Now we need a logo. Borrow this into Photoshop, and I think this is pretty good. Upload here and here. And now the most important part about making a Shopify store. Go to Online Store, Themes, click the dots, Edit Languages, type Powered, and it Powered by Shopify. Click Space. And now for the product page. Install Gem Pages. Add a product page. This is gonna take some time to build. So let's just use some gems. This is the product page so far. I think it looks pretty good. Now install some other apps. Sticky Add to Cart, free. Currency Converter, also free. Reviews, not free, but it has a 7-day free trial. And let's not forget to buy the domain. And this is the final result. Let's make a quick home page as well. Now let's go into part 3, post TikToks. So let's make a TikTok account. On TikTok, you need to have at least 1,000 followers to get a link in bio, but it will take a lot of time to get 1,000 followers organically. So I just bought 1,000 followers hoping it will give access to putting a link in bio.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Now the plan is to post around 5 to 8 TikToks a day. So if you're interested in the results, I upload videos every single Friday at 4 p.m. EST. Next Friday, I will show you the results. So subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss it. And by the way, I think you're gonna like this video right here. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you Friday.